Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Today, we're going to explore one of the most essential tools for every trader, the economic calendar. And guess what? With Modmount's cutting-edge market calendar, you can stay ahead of key global events that impact your trades. Let's dive in. So, what is an economic calendar? Simply put, it's your roadmap to the most crucial financial events around the world. It highlights upcoming news, central bank meetings, employment reports, GDP releases, and much more, each of which can influence the markets. When you know what's coming in the economic landscape, you can anticipate price movements and make better informed decisions. This is where Modmount comes in. Our market calendar offers instant updates, giving you real-time insights into these events. With Modmount's economic calendar, you can plan your trades around key events, reduce risk, and maximize potential profit. Want even more? Our platform offers high-speed access for timely market moves and one-click trading options to execute the perfect trade when it matters. We believe in supporting our traders every step of the way. At Modmount, you get more than just tools. Our personalized accounts, instant market updates, and educational materials help you stay sharp and ready for whatever the market throws your way. Improve your portfolio's performance by staying on top of key economic events with Modmount's economic calendar. Your smarter trading journey starts today. Visit modmountltd.com and take the first step towards informed, confident trading. Thanks for watching, and be sure consider to like and subscribe for more upcoming content. Enjoy your trading journey.